So here you are supposed to sign in. If you have an account with Microsoft, then you simply sign in with your account. But if you don't have an account, just have to follow the next procedure that I'm going to use, because this option I want to use doesn't need the internet to be on. That's where you can bypass the process of signing in. However, if you have an account, you can simply sign in, and then you follow the prompts. Otherwise, you can also follow along with me with the next action, which is to bypass the signing in option. So from this window, we are going to hold on Shift plus 10 plus F10. I mean, you hold on Shift plus F10, and it will open for you the command prompts. For some computers, it is Shift plus function key plus F10. So once you have opened your command prompts, here you are going to type ncpa.cpl, then you click on enter. You type here ncpa.cpl. This command prompt will enable you or us to enter the network menu where we shall be able to turn off our internet connection. So ncpa.cpl. I hope you have typed, so you click on enter. If you have done that, so now here we have the networks, the different networks. We have Ethernet, and then we have the Wi-Fi network. For me, I'm currently using Ethernet, so I'll simply turn off the Ethernet. After turning off the Ethernet, and then I'll just simply type OOBE. You type OOBE after turning or disabling your internet. Type OOBE slash bypass NRO. You type OOBE slash bypass NRO. Once you have done that, it will enable you to bypass the sign in option. So it will take us back to some of the procedures, and we shall follow along. So I hope you have successfully typed in this and clicked enter. You do this after you have turned or disabled your internet network. So here it's restarting now. It's restarting. So from here we shall also repeat this process. We shall have to choose our country again. For me, Uganda. I've selected Uganda, and then the keyboard layout is for USA. You just click yes. I wanted to see the layouts here, but of course there's really nothing big I can do here, so we shall just go with the US keyboard, and then you continue with your installation. So once you have selected your keyboard and the layout, Here it will now tell you to connect to internet, but you say I don't have internet. This is the part where we needed the command prompt. So here you say continue without internet. This is the biggest part that we have been looking for. So when you click on continue without internet, it will give you limited connections, but of course that is the part we want. You can write your name here, the name of the PC, you just type on it and you click next. After the name, you can click next, and here if you want to input password you can put. If you don't want, you click next. For me, I've continued, so the rest we shall just keep on accepting. So I'll accept all of these. So basically we are done. So the computer is restarting, and our window seems to be successfully installed. So this is how you can install Windows 11. However, along the way we encountered so many problems, and these are the problems that someone may encounter along the way. I purposely did some of them so that you can see how we do overcome these challenges. However, we could have just installed it the easier way, but of course there are some computers that always have issues when you're installing Windows, and some of the issues are those we tackled along the way. And please, if you found this video very resourceful to you, make sure you subscribe to it, and you subscribe to Lulua TV Tech, and you can also share with your friends. We have so many other videos that you can also watch as well. This channel is specific to bring for you solutions to such problems. We have created videos for so many problems tech related. So here is our Windows 11. It has been successfully installed, and thank you so much for sticking with us, and we see you again in the next video. Thank you.